Jullie kan my nie nou pla nie toe. Kan jy my nou pla? Alright, kom af as jy, kom af as jy. Jy kan my bed in mekaar gemaak. Kyk daar, kyk daar, kyk daar. Skrikkelik. Kry my die shower en dan terwyl alles opgedonder hier in die kamer. Okay. Yo, listen people. Julle moet dit mooi luister. Ek hoop julle het van I hope you've got a beautiful week. Daar's nog 'n week wat jou voor lê. Ek hoop julle het 'n fantastische tyd. All of the best and the most beautiful and all of the powerful. Remember? Onthou net. Onthou. Love is the most powerful power you can ever give and hold in your hand. Remember that. Second of all, hierdie story van fucking, wat is it, Jacinta, what we go around and we break down the towns. We are angry because the things are not going according to plan. Then they should fire some people in the government. You must not break down our cities. I think you have got some brain damage yourself. Oor Malema wil ek nie eens praat because he's got the whole story incorrect, but he's paid to do that. He's paid to, hy word betaal om julle mense se bloeddruk op te jaag. Dan is daar boere wat nou wil sê, ja, ons moet nou die apartheid weer druk. You cannot live with apartheid. And you cannot live without the apartheid. It's like a woman. You cannot live with a woman, but you cannot live without a woman. Okay? So, it's a stubbe ene daai. But anyway, that is not what I wanted to tell you. The current situation of politics is a bit hectic. The Strait of Hormuz, the oil price, daar's so baie dinge wat verkeerd is hierso. But we won't talk about it. Ek kom net uit die shower uit nou net. Getting out of the shower. Like ek so. Alright, what I wanted to tell you is that you must have a lovely week. Julle moet 'n lieflike week hê. Ja. En laat liefde. Pass on the love. Show to other people that you care. The moment that you show to other people that you just show them you care. That's all I'm saying. Show them you care. The moment you show someone that you are really listening and that you really care, they're screwed. They don't know what to do. Hulle hak vas. It's just a robot that's been programmed to fight and then suddenly Mayday, default program, error. Something like that, dude.